So I like to keep my trimmers in a nice tidy box. This is kind of my fit out. So this is what the factory comes with, the factory. And then this is the lovely attachment. All right, so there's 3 different types of depth settings here. That's the deepest. Move it around, not as deep, not as deep. So for this, I'm going to measure about 3 mm for my V-line. I've got a special router bit, and I'll set it to that once I get everything set up, and then I'll be good to go. And this is the other attachment. So that slides into the base, like so. Goes in, then you clamp it off at whatever length you want, and this clamps onto the track. Yeehaw. So now I'm just going to change this wee little bit into this one. Oh, it's tighter than a nun's fanny. Oh my god. Far out. Who did this up? Rock Johnson. Do you know what? I think you have to go like this. Oh, you little bastard. Come here.
Where's she going? Eventually.
Bang. Got him. What the hell's going on here? Yahtzee. I promise I have changed one of these out before. I'm just nervous. There we go, got the right bit on there. Alright, so now I'm just going to play around with a bit of ply and depth, just so I can find out the right depth that I want. You know what, I actually noticed something important. You're meant to put this on the other side so it stays level. Because I was just looking at it and you can see it looks like it's on the piss a bit, so that's what that's for. It's pretty sick. It's not as deep as I want though. I reckon I'm gonna go another couple mil deeper. That's pretty spot on actually. Yeah, that's actually pretty spot on. That's what I'm looking for. Looks like it's about 2 to 3 mil in. Very nice. Alright, now that I have my depth set and I'm happy with how it's looking, I'm going to work out my spacings on this door so that it all comes up pretty nice. I'm thinking roughly around 90 mil. And then I just got to connect the 2 tracks together so that I don't have to like make a wipe and then come back. I'm just going to do it all in one. So it's good about these Makita 1500 tracks. You can connect them together with 2 little grub screws. And then let's get stuck in and rip this bad boy up. And I got both sides, so if I stuff up, I'll just flip it around, put it on the inside. Alright, so I've worked out all my spacings. This one was a little bit more tricky actually as well because this door has been planed in to fit the jamb. So the top and the bottom are completely different. So what I've done is kind of done a little bit of maths, but really I've just gone to my eye and just getting some nice straight lines going down, trying to keep all the gaps the same. So I think it's going to turn out really good. Okay, all right. I got that clamped off. I never clamped these tracks off, but I'm doing it this time. I got a soaking wet 5-amp battery in there. Something that I did notice though, I will show you. It actually comes with these leveling clips, is what I'm going to call them. And I just put that over here so it is nice and level. But that means that I'm a little bit higher, so what I just did, my depth gauge was technically wrong. So what I'm going to do is run it through, and then I'll probably have to do another run through if it's not at the right depth, which I'm guessing it won't be. But yeah, let's give it a go and see how it goes. Hello? That looks pretty good. Pretty good. I don't know if I want to... I actually kind of like it that deep. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it at that actually. Alright, one down. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 to go. So now that it's all set up as well, it's a lot more easier to keep going because all I need to know is this right here, which is 35 mil and 35 mil. So all I need to do now is put the track 35 mil on offset from this line and just whip it out. Happy as Larry, that looks... Ah! That looks awesome. What am I doing? That turned out sick. Alright, so all I have to do now is paint it. Alright, well that's all you're getting from me tonight. I'm not going to be painting this, so see you later. Alright, you got it. I'll paint it now. So for this specific task, I'm going to be using Vivid White. There you go. She's up, boys. Alright, so that was the Makita Plunge router setup with the track saw attachment. Leave your comments in the comment section if you have any. But yeah, I think it went awesome. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.